Hi, this is Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to go over the Pearson HTML math book. There's many ways to get this math book, but truly, if you are a blind student, you need the HTML version of any math book that Pearson puts out. So I'm going to do some quick navigation in order to show you its accessibility options. I'm going to hit H for heading.
Section 1.4 Solving linear equations heading level.
Go ahead and shift H.
Wrapping to bottom. Table of contents heading level 1.
Okay. I could have also immediately gone here with L for list.
List of 17 items.
And I for item.
Link graphic expand table of contents on mouse over.
Okay, so if I wanted to expand it, I can go ahead and hit my space bar.
Space list with 17 items. Expand table of contents. Link graphic on.
I just down arrow.
Link intermediate list of 4 items. Nesting level 1.
So you get the idea. All accessible, easy. But I've already opened my Chapter 1 Algebra Mathematical module, so I'm going to hit H for heading.
Wrapping to top. Section 1.4 Solving linear equations heading level 2.
Okay. And if your H pops you in the middle of the page, you can just arrow up easily.
List end. 88. Simplify colon 10. Open.
And it said list, so I can shift L.
List of 3 items.
And then it immediately moves me into where I want to be, and I for item.
83. Find the absolute value colon absolute value of negative 14.3 and absolute value. Left parent.
Now, I have my Focus 4D Braille display connected to this, and it reads beautifully on this display, as it probably would most Braille displays. So not only can the child listen to all of the math, they can have the math underneath of their fingers. And so I'm just going to progress one time on my Braille display. When I do that, you can't hear it. So of course, I'm going to have to go back to my computer keyboard and move just so you can hear where I'm at.
84. Simplify colon left bracket. 12 minus. Open. 13 minus 17. Close. Right bracket. Minus. Left bracket. 9 minus. Open. 6 minus 10. Close. Right.
Yeah. And that's how it actually is reading on my Braille display. So immediately, anybody who knows math, it's typically the fractions that create a huge headache. So I'm going to hit L for list to jump down to my next list of items.
List of 3 items.
And then I'm going to just hit I to 87.
86. If 87. Simplify colon 13 minus 3. Open. X plus 2. Close.
And it reads that beautifully. Okay, so I'm reading that from my Braille display, but anybody who's visual is going to look at 88 and go, oh, will that read? Yes, it will.
88. Simplify colon 10. Open. Fraction 3x plus 1 over 2n fraction. Close.
And so those words are literally on my Braille display also. Open and close. So it clearly makes you understand where you're at. But the fractions are in there, as are the parentheses and the periods and everything else. So the student has the ability to back up and read their information. So this is just the only way to go. So this is what you absolutely need. Now, what I'm going to do is there is a graph down below. So let's go ahead and quickly get down there.
List end. Heading level 2, section 1.4, solving list of 3 items. List of 2 items.
Okay, list of 2 items. This is where I want to be. So I'm going to go ahead and down arrow listen to the information, and I can do that all on my Braille display.
Bullet mean left parent app bullet compared with a high school graduate will have earned enough by then shown in figure 1. A bar graph for average cost of tuition and fees at public 4-year U.S. colleges. Graphic.
Okay. So right off the bat, you're thinking, oh, well, that's not an information. It's not. It tells you what the graph is. But now I'm going to combine that with my JAWS command of insert space PC, so the student can actually see what is on that graph.
Space. P. Picture smart. Picture smart is in progress. Heading level 2 caption is chart. Bar chart. Heading level 5 total number of faces in this photo is 1. Heading level 4 this text appears in the photo average cost of tuition and fees at public 4-year U.S. colleges $9,588.93 $9,000.
So of course, we're going to go over that the first information that's going to be read is going to go ahead and be Y, and then it will move into X, and then it will move into the bar numbers. So it's the combination of what you're going to use. Once again, in Pearson, an HTML book, you need to combine your JAWS picture reading, insert space PC. There are other commands that you can utilize if that does not work for a particular graphic. But as you can see, it works beautifully for this bar graphic. And then, of course, the student can down arrow and listen to even more information. So this is just incredibly advantageous. Once again, math using HTML online. It's just really great. Okay, thank you. And I hope that really helped your understanding of math books. This is college, high school, but once again, HTML is what our blind students need. Thank you.
Intermediate algebra for college. Meeting controls. Meeting controls. Alt Q. End meeting or leave meet. End meeting.